everyone, this is Fiza from IELTS. I am back with another video. Already we have discussed part 1 of changes, जिसमें हमने 7 vocabularies discuss करी थी. In this video we are going to discuss again the topic changes, but अब की बार दूसरी vocabularies होंगी. And again 7 vocabularies we will discuss. So let's check them out without wasting any time. Let's begin. So these are the vocabularies we can see: manipulate, refine, transition, enlarge, deteriorate, diminish, eradicate. Let's check them one by one. The very first one in our list is manipulate. Manipulate. So manipulate can be used in both positive and negative context. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? मैनिपुलेट वर्ड को हम यूज पॉजिटिव में भी कर सकते हैं व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ यूजफुल टूल फॉर अचीविंग अ डिजायर्ड आउटकम, और ये नेगेटिव टर्म में भी यूज हो सकता है व्हेन वी आर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग समवन, ओके, और कंट्रोलिंग समवन इन अ वे दैट मे नॉट बी एंटायरली ट्रांसपेरेंट और एथिकल. अब इसका मतलब थोड़ा डीप में समझते हैं. देखिए, सबसे पहले नेगेटिव जानते हैं दैट इट रिफर्स टू द एक्ट ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग और कंट्रोलिंग समवन. आप क्या करो, किसी पे असर डालो अपना, ओके, एंड दैट विल नॉट बी एथिकल. अब आप सोचो, किसी को इन्फ्लुएंस करके, किसी को मैनिपुलेट करके आप कोई और काम करवा लो, राइट? जैसे ये होता है ना कि अपनी मर्जी का काम करवा लेना किसी से, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैनिपुलेशन. एंड इसका पॉजिटिव में भी हम एक मीनिंग देखते हैं. पॉजिटिव मतलब इट कैन यूज एज अ कंट्रोल, मतलब जैसे हम रिमोट कंट्रोल जैसे होता है, दैट वी आर यूजिंग इट एज अ टूल टू अचीव समथिंग, okay, that will also be considered as manipulation. Okay, let's check some sentences. The media is trying to manipulate the election. The robot is manipulated by using a joystick. अब देखिए, manipulated यहाँ पे positive में use होगा because it is, they are saying about controlling. The robot is controlled by using a joystick. Let's check some common collocations. Manipulate the result, manipulate information, manipulate the situation, manipulate by. These are the verbs you can see: manipulates, manipulated, manipulating. These are your verbs. And we have one noun, that is manipulation. Okay. Let's check some common synonyms. Handle, mold, control, shape, influence, exploit. Okay, so these words you can use in your IELTS examination as well. The second word in our list is refine. Refine. The word refine has several meanings, but they all involve improving something. For example, you might refine your writing by editing and proofreading. For instance, you have learned some skill. जैसे मान लेते हैं एक गिटारिस्ट है, तो what they will do, they will refine their playing skills, है ना? ऐसे ही आप, अगर आपकी हैंड राइटिंग इज नॉट गुड, देन व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल रिफाइन योर राइटिंग बाय एडिटिंग एंड प्रूफ रीडिंग. ओके, सो बेसिकली रिफाइन का मतलब हो जाता है किसी भी चीज को इम्प्रूव करना. Let's check some sentences. Medical techniques are constantly being refined. Botanists are refining these classifications. You can refine your search by adding filters. Let's check some collocations. Refine a skill, refine a technique, refine a method. These are verbs: refines, refined, refining. Okay, these are the verbs, and you can see refinement, this is a noun. Let's check some synonyms: improve, Hone means you are improving your skills. Hone your skills. Improve, polish, perfect, make. I think I have repeated improve word 2 times. Okay, hone, polish, perfect, make. Let's move to another word. Next word in our list is transition. Transition means changing from one state to another, one state or situation or condition to another. Okay, you must have heard about ट्रांजिशन ऑफ वाटर टू स्टीम. आपने सुना होगा क्या होता है, वाटर को स्टीम में बदलने को कंडेंसेशन कहते हैं. बट इस बदलने का प्रोसेस जो होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिशन, राइट. तो ट्रांजिशन ऑफ वाटर इनटू स्टीम, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर, चेंज हो रहा है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंजिंग, एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट में क्या था, वो वाटर स्टेट था, लिक्विड स्टेट था, वो चेंज हो रहा है गैस में. ओके, तो ये यहाँ पर लिक्विड है एंड इट इज चेंजिंग इनटू गैस. तो ये यहाँ पर बीच में क्या हुआ, दिस इज ट्रांजिशन, राइट, दिस इज ट्रांजिशन. तो ये हमारा ट्रांजिशन. बट इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं, बेसिकली लिक्विड इनटू गैस में जो कन्वर्ट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस. ओके, बट यहाँ पर हम ट्रांजिशन के बारे में बता रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंजिंग, जो आपका चेंजिंग का प्रोसेस होता है. ओके, transition can be physical, emotional, intellectual. They can occur gradually or suddenly. Transition can be positive or negative depending on the circumstances and the individual's attitude towards them. The word transition, here you can see trans in a Latin prefix means across, beyond, or on the other side of. Okay, trans means on the other side or across. Let's check some sentences. The transition to a democracy was difficult. Young people need more support in the transition from school life to work. The transition from home to college life is often difficult for young people. Let's check some common collocation. Transition from something, transition to something. ट्रांजिशन पीरियड, मेक ट्रांजिशन. अब यहाँ पर देखिए दैट ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम एंड ट्रांजिशन टू, यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग इन IELTS एग्जामिनेशन कि ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम कब हो जाएगा कि किस चीज से ट्रांसफॉर्म हुआ है, और ट्रांसफॉर्म टू मतलब ट्रांजिशन किस चीज में हुआ है. तो किस चीज से हुआ है तो फ्रॉम आ जाएगा, और किस चीज में हुआ है तो टू आ जाएगा. ओके, तो ये ध्यान रखिएगा. ट्रांजिशन पीरियड, अब जो पूरा पीरियड होता है ना ट्रांजिशन का, जैसे लिक्विड है वो वाटर में चेंज हो रहा है, सॉरी वाटर जो है वो गैस में चेंज हो रहा है, तो इस पूरे पीरियड को क्या कहेंगे हम, ट्रांजिशन पीरियड कहेंगे. मेक ट्रांजिशन मतलब चेंज, मेकिंग अ चेंज. लेट्स सी सम verbs. The verb forms are transitions, transitioned, transitioning, and transition itself is ION. So this verb, it can be used as a noun, okay, and transitional, it will be an adjective. Let's see some synonyms. Transition, change, changeover, passage, path, transformation, shift. Let's check another word in our list, that is enlarge. The verb enlarge means to make something bigger in size or scale. Okay, कोई चीज को बड़ा कर देना, enlarge कर देना. Okay, you must have heard, मोबाइल में जब हम फोटो लेते हैं उसको जूम करते हैं, राइट, तो उसको क्या करते हैं हम, बेसिकली enlarge करते हैं. Okay, तो it is very easy to get to know the meaning of the word enlarge. This can refer to physical objects such as enlarging a photograph or a room, or to abstract concepts such as enlarging one's understanding of a topic or enlarging a business's market share. Let's check some sentences. We use silicone implants to enlarge the breasts. The glands in your neck may enlarge. The European Union enlarged to 25 countries in 2004. Let's check some common collocations. Enlarge something, greatly enlarged, slightly enlarged, enlarge by. Let's check the verb form. Enlarges, enlarged, enlarging. These are the verbs. Enlargement will be your noun. Let's check some synonyms for the word enlarge. Make bigger, extend, expand, grow, boost. The next word in our list is diminish. Diminish. आपने सुना होगा इन क्लास 10th और 11th diminish view. ओके जब हम इमेजेस की बात करते थे तो दिस वर्ड यूजुअली यूज टू कम. तो किसी भी चीज को छोटा कर देना या फिर लेस इंपॉर्टेंट कर देना, देन वी कैन यूज द वर्ड डिमिनिश. ओके it can be used in various contexts such as in size, quality, value or significance. For instance, a company's profits may diminish over time due to increased competition or economic downturns. Okay, so we can use it when we are talking about size, quality, value or significance. वो कितनी कम हो गई है, then we can use this term. Let's check some sentences. Federalism is designed to diminish the power of central government. Hospitals are facing problems because of diminishing funding. This could lead to diminished support for the war. Let's check some common collocations. Diminish pain, diminish in size, diminish in importance, rapidly diminish. Let's talk about the verbs. Diminishes, diminished, diminishing. Okay, these are all verbs. And diminution, or you must have heard about diminishment. That basically means a reduction. Okay, and this is noun, diminution. Let's check some synonyms for the word diminish. Lessen, lower, this is actually lower. Abate, decrease, reduce, shrink. Let's check another word in our list is deteriorate. Deteriorate. Okay, it basically means the process of something becoming progressively worse or less desirable over time. Okay, that means किसी भी चीज का सड़ जाना. You must have heard about some building or infrastructure जो कि damage हो रही है, deteriorate हो रही है. That then we use this term. Okay, so basically the condition of the house is deteriorating and you can see the windows are coming out. So it is decaying or deteriorating. Let's move to the sentences. There are fears that the situation may deteriorate into full-scale war. His health rapidly deteriorated overnight. The condition of the roads deteriorated because of the floods. Condition deteriorates, rapidly deteriorate. Health deteriorates, deteriorating situation. These are some common collocations. Let's check some verbs. Deteriorates, deteriorated, deteriorating, and the noun deterioration. Let's check some common synonyms. Worsen, degenerate, degrade, decline, fall apart, weaken. The last one in our list is eradicate. Eradicate means basically destroying or eliminating something. You must have heard about eradication of mosquitoes. क्या होता है जब भी कोई बीमारी होती है like dengue or chikungunya kind of diseases that are caused by mosquito, तो हम use करते हैं term the eradication of mosquitoes. Okay, so we will look forward that what this word means. This term is often used in the context of disease control, where the goal is to eradicate a particular illness from a population. Eradication efforts typically involve a combination of vaccination, quarantine, and public health initiatives. Okay, let's check some sentences. Doctors are fighting to eradicate malaria from Africa. Government policies sought to eradicate child poverty. The head teacher wanted to eradicate lateness. Let's check some common collocations. Eradicate from, eradicate by, eradicate disease, eradicate poverty. Let's check the verbs. Eradicates, eradicated, eradicating. These are the verbs. And eradication is the noun. Let's check some synonyms. Eradicate, destroy, wipe out, erase, abolish, eliminate, exterminate. So guys, this is all about the 7 words and part 2 of changes. We have discussed all the meanings. Along with that, we have discussed sentences, how we can use the common collocations as well as the synonyms for them. Hope this video is informative and it will be helpful for you to clear the IELTS examination. Thank you so much everyone.